Okay. Going to work on some more of this journal that has now become a cooking journal for some reason. And when I say work on some more of this journal, I've done nothing to it other than sew this first page. Okay. When I work on journals, I'm a little bit all over the shot. I don't have a good process. Okay. This page, I kind of want to do something with it. This is some really thick paper, almost like a cardboard, that I got given a bunch of rolls of. It's still a bit curly. It'll flatten once it sits in that pile of papers for a while. Now I've got to flip out there and one there. So I might put something on this flap, a pocket or something. I don't know. This is why I find it so hard to work on journals, because I don't have a process and I don't have anything in mind. I just kind of shuffle crap around my desk. Oh, I've got this cute little book that I'm going to somehow incorporate in here. I was going to use the pictures because they're so cute. Bread. Thought that would go good with a little cooking theme. But I might end up just taking the staples out and I'll sew that into the center signature, I think, because it's just so cute as it is. Anyway, get on with it. I don't know what I'm looking for. This is just a pile of crap I had. Magazine pictures. Can I put that there? It's a bit too... I don't know. It's a bit too girly-ish for my liking. This is a really nice picture. This one, I might actually put this on the cover with something underneath. And some hessian or burlap and lace or something. Okay, well that's an idea. I'll put that separate. I like these old style cooking pictures. I don't know how this pile came about. Oh, I've got a fork and knife. This is just out of a Coles cooking magazine, Woolworths cooking magazine. I don't know, is that too ugly? Maybe. I've got two, I think I've got 2 or 3 more of these type of pages further on in this journal. Okay. It's too pretty. Why can't I have pretty? Okay, let's just do it. Let me, I've got I've been trying to keep my scraps at bay, so I've been sewing rubbish as I go. These are little bits of red scrap fabric from my little thank you notes. Oh, maybe I can put a little fabric thing there. Okay, then that's not so pretty then, is it? Okay. Yes, I will do that. Okay. Now this, I'm not going to trust this glue on magazine, and this is quite rough. This glue stick is really good. Bostik. Bostik is the best glue. Best glue stick, best glue for metals. Not this, but the one in the tube. I don't have one now because my husband stole it for his stupid Star Wars hobby and he didn't bring it back. But yeah, Bostik is the best glue, which is why it's pricier. Now sometimes oops, it's too late. It's not straight, but this glue, when it's down, it's down. I can't move it. No wiggle room. Sometimes I may embellish pages as I make a journal. Then before I sew the journal in, the signatures in, I may pull pages out and replace them with other pages. So my journal making process is somewhat chaotic because I don't just sit down and work on a journal in one go. I tend to do it in dribs and drabs. I wish I wouldn't, but I do. Just because I'm not in my craft room every single day. Sometimes I'm at the kitchen table, so you can't just pack everything up and work at the kitchen table. If I ever kick my husband out of my room, then I'll be in here working all day and I can film a super long video and show you my journal making process, start to finish. Until then, I'll show you dribs and drabs. I'll show you as much as I can. Look, mostly it's just grabbing little bits of scraps on my desk and seeing where they fit in a journal. I might leave those threads on. I'm going to leave all the threads on in this journal. It'll be super thready. Okay. That I can handle a bit better. Now, it's still a bit plainish, so I'm going to should I cover these pages? Why am I going to cover it? It's writable. Let's put something in there. Actually, I think I know what I'll do. I might I've got this little cookbook. Oh, there's two. These are so old. Look at the pages. I might sew some of these cooking little pages there as a lift up. Okay, what do we want? All these old cookbooks are really gross and weird. Like this, look. Diced pigeon. Oh, poor little pigeon. Okay, I know we eat chicken, but I don't know. Pigeon. What else? Deep fried chicken livers. Blah. I can't eat anything like... Oh no, shark fin soup. Urgh. No, I do not like that. Oh, salted fish. Poor little sharks. Yeah, some of these old ones, spicy chicken livers. Some of these old ones, grilled chicken livers. Ugh. I can't eat liver, brains, hearts, anything like that. I'm hard up eating just a steak. Pine meatballs. Okay, stop looking. I've got these old, you've probably seen them on my channel before, these old recipe cards from the 70s. Actually, I'll put some in this journal eventually when I get to it. Yeah, and yeah, the old recipes. Sorry if you grew up in that time, but to me they're very gross. Even though I was born in the early 70s, 72. I do remember my mum making steak and kidney pie, and I would never eat it. Actually, these ones aren't too bad. I do like the weird recipes though, actually, I will say. I do like seeing them. I just don't like eating them. Okay, how many should I do? 3, maybe. I kind of want to put these in like a little book. But if I flip up that way, you can't read what's on the back. Kind of don't go under this picture, do they? See, this is what I mean about me doing a journal. I'm so bad. I just I stuff around. This is actually how I work in real life. Stuffing around. Okay, maybe I'll sew them to this side. Where's one of the title pages? Oh, maybe I'll sew that with it. Oh, I don't know which book these ones came out of. The quick cooking one or the Chinese cooking? These don't really look like Chinese recipes, do they? So I had 2 little books stacked together. I think this must be out of the quick cooking one. Where is it? This one. Look at this. 20 cents. Farmers. What year? I don't think it has a year. Farmers though, I don't know that. Is that an old shop here? Everything looks so old and gross. Oh, maybe I'll make that into a little cookbook to go there. Not this. Okay. I think I am going to just sew this. I've got a scrap of paper here that I just see. I just reach for crap on my desk. that what I'm going to do? I wouldn't mind making this part of the journal. Okay, so if I sew that there, then you can turn the pages. Maybe 3 pages isn't enough. Let's get one more. Oops, that was dumb. Okay. Okay, let's put prawn curries in there as well. Okay, I've decided to put the cover on it. Okay, so I've sewn it with the cover on. The original cover. Now, I'm just going to glue that there. And I think I might leave the top open and make that back page a pocket. All right, let's do that. Oh, I kind of don't want to cover that up. I kind of like it like a book. Maybe we'll just put a pocket there and put that into the pocket. Okay, I'm going to put this aside and we'll see. I do have a bigger pocket further up in this journal. Okay. Okay, so I might leave it there for today and we'll be back tomorrow to work on this journal some more. Thanks for watching. Bye.